Welcome students. In this video, let us look at the topic of section formula. So now what do we deal in this topic? So assume that you have 2 points A and B. A is the point x1, y1, B is the point x2, y2. So let us join x1 and y1. So you get the line segment x1, y1, x2, y2. Now I want the point P on this line segment which divides AB in the ratio m:n. If I want certain point on this line segment AB which divides AB in a given ratio m:n, then what is the coordinates of the point? So what are the coordinates of this point? So that's the question that we are going to deal in this topic. So this point is said to divide AB in the ratio m:n internally. So the formula is PH, K. The point which divides AB in the ratio m:n internally is simply, so you have two coordinates, right? You have two coordinates, x coordinate and the y coordinate. So x coordinate involves only the x coordinates of the points. Y coordinate of P involves only the y coordinates. So the x coordinate is given by m times x2 plus n times x1 by m plus n. So you need to remember it as cross multiplication. So this number has to be multiplied with this x coordinate. This number has to be multiplied by this x coordinate. So m times x2 plus n times x1 by m plus n. So the x coordinate of P involves only the x coordinates of the points A and B. Now if you want the y coordinate, so K is equal to m times y2 plus n times y1 by m plus n. M y2 plus n y1 by m plus n. So this gives you the point which divides AB in the ratio m:n internally. There is another kind of division called external division. So if you join A and B, a point on the extended line AB, such that the length of AP by the length of BP is equal to m by n, is said to divide AB externally in the ratio m:n. So AP by PB is equal to m by n. Here also AP by PB is equal to m by n. But here P lies within AB, here P lies outside AB. So let us call this P dash. So P dash H, K is given by mx2 minus nx1 by m minus n, my2 minus ny1 by m minus n. So this is the formula for internal division. This is the formula for external division. So you just need to replace pluses with minuses both in the numerator and denominator. So you need to remember these two formulas. So let us derive these formulas now. So for example, so let us consider 2 points AB. A is 1, 2, B is 4, 1. Now I want a point PH, K which divides AB in the ratio 1:2 internally. 1:2 internally. That means I want a point P inside the line segment AB such that AP by PB is equal to 1 by 2, right? So the distance AP by the distance PB is 1:2. So how do I get this? From the formula of internal division. So P is given by, so this ratio is 1:2. So 1 times 4, you have to do the cross multiplication. So remember that the x coordinate of P involves only the x coordinates. The y coordinate of P involves only the y coordinates. So what is the x coordinate of P? 1 into 4 m into x2 plus n times x1 2 times 1 by m plus n is 1 plus 2. What is the y coordinate? The y coordinate of P involves only the y coordinates of A and B. So 1 times 1 plus 2 times 2 by m plus n again. That is equal to 4 plus 2 is 6 by 3 is 2. 1 plus 4 is 5 by 3. So the point P is given by 2, 5 by 3. So those are the coordinates of the point P. Now, next, if I want a point P dash which divides AB in the ratio 1:2 externally. That means again I want a point on this line AB such that AP by PB is equal to 1 by 2 again, but P should not lie inside the line segment AB. So this time if I want a point P dash which satisfies this relation, where do you think P dash has to lie? So will P dash lie here or here? So as you can see, if P dash lies here, AP dash will always be more than BP dash. But I want AP dash to be less than BP dash. So obviously P dash cannot lie on this side. So P dash will lie somewhere here, such that AP dash is one part, P dash B is two parts. So P dash will lie on the side of AB, on the side of A. So what are the coordinates of P dash again? So let us use the formula. In the formula, instead of plus, have a minus sign. That's the only difference. So again, the formula is mx2 minus nx1 by m minus n. 1 into 4 minus 2 into 1 by 1 minus 2. In the numerator as well as denominator, you get a minus. And 1 into 1 minus 2 into 2 by 1 minus 2. That is equal to 4 minus 2 is 2 by minus 1. It is minus 2. And 1 minus 4 is minus 3 by minus 1 is plus 3. So 4 minus 2, 2 by minus 1 is minus 2. 1 minus 4 is minus 3 by minus 1 is 3. So minus 2, 3 is the point P dash which divides AB in the ratio 1:2 externally. So I hope this example is clear.